Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been a little busy lately, but today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my Nutribullet Baby. I got this from Target for $59.99. Now let's see what's in it. First of all, it comes with a warranty registration card. You have to fill it out, I guess, and send it over. It then comes with a 20% off coupon for friends and family can enjoy 20% off blenders and accessories using a code. Then they also have a recipe guide. Looks like this is one of the jugs that you can blend in. Okay, so this comes with storage system that you can put in your refrigerator. And there are 6 of them, and it comes with a base. So you can put them right in the fridge with the base on. And it also comes with the dates. So you can see, you can set the date at which you made the food. It goes from 1 through 31. And there are 6 of these. So you can make your food and it'll last you for 6 meals. Now we have here, this is the freezing component of it. So if you make extra food, you can put them in here and freeze it for later use. Here is the base for the blender. Looks like you plug it in. It's a simple thing. And the last component is a large jar. This large jar, you can make multiple portions. Or if you want a smaller portion, you can use this smaller jar to make the food. Now, be sure to join in the next upcoming weeks while I will show you how to make some baby food with using the Nutribullet Baby. Thank you for joining me today. And as always, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And we are doing an unboxing video of the Nutribullet Baby. I got mine for $59.99 from Target, but it's also available on Amazon or Walmart. Thank you for joining me. Bye.